Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ghost the Freelancer. For today's recording, we are working on a new hit. Well, it's not new. I'm sorry. I found this before. It is called Question Document Relevance. This is an easy hit to work on. There is a guideline to this. You can pull it up, but I'm just gonna go ahead and work on the hit as soon as I can or as soon as possible because I want to make this video really short and quick. So we just have to judge if the query is a bad question, good, fair, or bad. And we have to base this, or rather our answers, on the search results on the right side of the screen. This one, the one I'm scrolling down and I'm scrolling up. Let's move ahead or move on. So what are the symptoms of kidney stones? It's a bad question. Okay, I'm sorry about that. It's a good question. There is a misspelling though. That's why I said it's a bad question. What is the initiating process in project management? Fertilizing lemons is a bad question for this particular web page. Where is Good Life headquarters located? I'm already working on it. Alright, hold on a sec. I have to open it on a new tab. A special message from Mike and Stacy. Welcome to Smith's Tracking. This is a bad question for me. Yep. What antivirus software is free? This is a good question. I hope you guys can understand what I'm doing. So, is an Acura TSX considered a sports car for insurance purposes? Temporary car insurance, I'm gonna go with, hold on a sec. I'll just go ahead with fair. Yep, we got it right. Moving on to the next is, the websites are not opening, so we have to open it on a new tab. What is the best place to dump outside in Fortnite? Meeting the climate need for hobo tough life. Guys, I'm gonna go with bad here. Page does not exist, but the page does exist. I'm not sure if the head is broken. I'm not agree to this. About Ragnarok X Generation. What does the stock market work? I'm gonna go with bad here. Alright. What does it mean when you have a normal blood? This is a bad question, guys. Yep. How do most people clean a new house? Okay. Got a virus. House cleaning checklist. It's a good question for me. Moving on to the next. It's taking a while. What are some Lustige Spotches and Morgan? I think it's a bad question. We passed the qualification. Again, the name of the hit is Question Document Relevance. My name is Ghost. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video. Bye for now.